DJI appears to be quietly lining up its next entry-level move, with two new names emerging: the DJI Lito 1 and Lito X1. Both have surfaced in FCC filings, a strong sign that development is well underway. While nothing is official yet, multiple leaks paint a fairly clear picture of DJI's 2026 plans. In this video, we'll break down the expected timeline, positioning, specs, and what these leaks really mean, without the hype. Let's dive in. Before talking expectations, it's important to understand why the Lito series is being taken seriously at all. On November 27, 2025, the DJI Lito X1 received FCC approval, confirming real, working hardware that meets US wireless standards. Just weeks later, on December 11th, the DJI Lito 1 also appeared in FCC filings, with a trusted insider confirming both belong to the same Lito family. Based on DJI's typical timelines, this points to a likely Q2 to Q3 2026 launch. Now, the real question is where Lito fits in DJI's lineup. From everything we can see so far, the DJI Lito 1 is expected to replace the current Mini 4K. That means it's likely aimed at beginners or casual users who want reliable performance without stepping into prosumer territory. On the other hand, the DJI Lito X1 appears to sit slightly higher, possibly filling the space left by models like the Mini 5 Pro. This doesn't suggest the X1 is a major leap forward. Instead, it appears to be a refined, modern entry-level drone aimed at creators who want better sensors, smarter flight features, and stronger transmission, without stepping into high-end territory. With positioning clear, let's look at what these drones might actually look like and how they're built. Leaked images show the Lito X1 prototype looks different from current mini drones, but that's typical of early development hardware. The unusual arms, motors, and wiring likely reflect unfinished testing units rather than a final design. DJI often experiments with modular shells, so expect a far more refined and familiar look at launch. With design covered, the bigger question is flight features, and what these drones are expected to deliver. Certification data suggests both drones will stay under 250 grams, keeping them registration-friendly in most regions. Obstacle sensing is expected to improve, possibly offering 360-degree detection with wide-angle optics, infrared altitude sensing, and short-range depth sensors. Wind resistance may reach level 5, improving stability in real-world use. Control options could include app control, gesture input, and limited voice commands. And this is where the Lito X1 begins to stand out, at least on paper. FCC filings for the Lito X1 mention SDR-based dual transceiver technology. While this doesn't confirm O5, it closely matches DJI's newer transmission systems, pointing to better stability, stronger interference resistance, and longer range than Wi-Fi. There's also talk of optional cellular support in select regions, enabling extended range use cases, though this remains speculative. So, where does that leave the Lito X1? Pricing hasn't leaked yet, but expectations place the Lito 1 slightly above the current Mini 4K, while the Lito X1 could land just below DJI's higher Mini Pro models. That would make sense if DJI is aiming for gradual upgrades rather than dramatic jumps. To sum it up, the DJI Lito 1 and Lito X1 look like sensible evolutionary updates rather than game-changing drones. They're expected to refine what already works, improve transmission and safety features, and modernize DJI's entry-level lineup for 2026.